guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and today's video where I'm sharing my mid-range luxury handbag collection with you. The last time I showed you my handbag collection was probably about a year ago, and I showed you my full collection, which was my mid-range and my more expensive designer handbags. But to be honest, I haven't actually bought any more really expensive designer handbags over the last year. That's because I'm really loving the variety and the range of the mid-range priced handbags and the quality as well. The quality is so great, and sometimes I think just because of a brand name I've paid ridiculous prices before, and actually quality wise I can get just the same for a much cheaper bag. So that's what I've been concentrating on. I've made a couple of purchases over the year, and I've also sold a couple this year as well, just because I felt like they weren't getting their use and I wasn't reaching for them a lot. So I like to keep bags in my collection which I'm actually going to use and get my money's worth. I also have a new bag to share with you today that I haven't used. I only got it a few days ago, so I can't wait to show you, and I'll show you that in a little bit. But everything I'm going to show you is under £1,000, and it ranges from like £200 to £1,000 at the most expensive, so pretty affordable. And let's start with one of my favourites, which is my Demelier Newyork bag. It's such a good size. First of all, it has a huge amount of space, so you could easily fit your laptop in there. Ignore the mess in there. A bag insert in here, but they're in the wash, so everything's just all over the place. But beautiful bag, really well made. I've had this over a year now, and it pretty much is in immaculate condition. There's no scratches. It has got feet at the bottom. Got this gorgeous gold hardware that you can leave undone or clip back in. Because I loved it so much, I also got it in the gorgeous chocolate brown suede colour, which is just divine. I absolutely love this bag. It is just stunning. Now, I'm not going to go into a huge amount of detail on the New York bag because I did a separate video where I reviewed this in a lot more detail, so I will pop that up just in case you're thinking of buying it. Then there's a lot more details and what it fits and all the rest of it in there. This bag does come in a smaller size, so this is just called the Demelier New York, and then there's the Demelier New York midi as well, which is smaller, still quite roomy, but definitely smaller than this. And I went into Selfridges and I tried both of these on, and the main reason that I got this one, obviously the size, because I do like to carry a lot in my handbag, so this is perfect. But also the midi one has shorter straps, so with this one you can wear it on your shoulders, crook of your arm, you can wear it top handle. But with the midi you can really only wear it on the crook of your arm or top handle. You can't wear it on your shoulders. The straps are not long enough. I think you also get a crossbody with the midi, but I think it's quite big to wear as a crossbody. But yeah, so this really suited me. So I've got both of them in the kind of the larger size. The reason I stuck to the New York as well is because it is my favourite of the whole range. I do love some of their other bags. I love the Hudson as well, but I do love this bag. It is absolutely gorgeous. So this one is £550 on the Demelier website. You might be able to get it from other places and get like a 10% discount, but yeah, £550, which I think for the quality of this bag is a really good price, and one that I'm grabbing all the time. Okay, so let me show you my new bag. And this has kindly been gifted to me by Teddy Blake. Now, I have worked with Teddy Blake before, and I have two bags in my collection, so I will show you both of them. But their quality of their handbags is so good, and the price is really reasonable. I don't think Teddy Blake is as well known in the UK as it is in the US, because it's a US brand, and as well as on their website they do sell it in stores in the US like Nordstrom or Macy's. But Teddy Blake bags are like I said, a US brand, but the bags are made in Italy using the most beautiful leather. And so I chose this gorgeous another chocolate brown suede bag. How stunning is this bag? I just think it looks so expensive. It's such a classy looking bag. I think this would elevate any outfit just gorgeous. Love the gold hardware. So basically this gold hardware is where you would lift to open the bag. So let me just show you what it looks like inside. And then you've got a lot of room in the bag and a zip pocket. But it also comes with a shoulder strap that you can add on. And again, this is in a suede fabric as well with gold hardware, and it has adjustable buttons here that you can adjust the length. I think I'll definitely be wearing this top handle, but you do have the option of the strap as well. Sun keeps going in and out here, so one minute my camera looks really bright and then the next is quite dark. I do apologise about that. I hope it's not too distracting, but yeah, this is such a beautiful, beautiful bag. Now this one retails at $488, so roughly around £360 depending on the exchange rate, but yeah, such a good price. And then the one I got from them last year is the Kingston Parto bag in the 11-inch. A beautiful, beautiful bag. I used to wear it all the time at work. It just makes the outfit look really classy, really great colour, goes with everything. I love this bag, and you can see, like, after a year, it literally has not worn at all. It doesn't have any scratches on it. It's got feet at the bottom. It's just really, really durable. So a great bag, and I think this one was even cheaper. So this one is $360, so I'm guessing around £300, but I will put that down in my description. I will link both of these bags and also their website. They do already have up to 60% off on their bags, but you can get a further $30 off by using my code TBFatima10. So again, I will pop that in the description below, and if you do like any of their bags, then do use that extra discount code to get yourself a bit more money off. Okay, so let's move on to the next bag, and this is another favourite of mine, and this is the Polène numero 9. Love this bag. I've probably had this bag for 6 years when it first came out. I can't remember how long ago, but I just think it's such a beautiful bag, and it's still one of the ones that I grab the most. It's just such an easy bag to grab. I love the handle of this as well, and the drape of the leather. It's super soft and slouchy. It's surprisingly large inside, if you can see, so I can fit like a little bottle of water, my purse, some makeup, my keys, my sunglasses, all the essentials. And it is such a comfortable bag as well. I love to hold this top handle, but it does have a crossbody that you can adjust as well, but you can also remove this as well. I like to leave it on because even though I tend to hold it top handle, if I'm out and about like shopping and I need to be hands-free, this is great to just have. So I just like to have it like hanging down. Really beautiful bag, and you might see a similar theme, but if I like a bag, then I do tend to get it in a different colour as well. So I love this so much. I also got it in the chalk, which is just stunning. Really, really gorgeous bag. I really love this colour as well because I think it goes with a lot of my clothes, and I think these two together pretty much go with everything in my wardrobe. I will actually also share with you my wish list at the end because I do have some other bags that are on my list for this summer, but I will share that with you at the end. Let me tell you how much these ones were. So these ones are £440. So they're from Paris. I know that London now has a store as well, but I think if you order them from the UK, they're around £25 delivery. But like I said, if you're near London, then you can also just pop to the store and buy one as well. I will say, like, the only damage to this is probably at the bottom, and that's because, like, I'm not taking extra special care of them. You know, I've used this for the last 5 years all the time, and I might just throw them down on the floor, and they haven't really worn badly at all, just around the corners at the bottom. On the actual body and the grained leather, it's so durable. There's no scratches, none of the leather has come off. Just really, really good quality. Okay, so let's move on to what is the cheapest bag in my mid-luxury collection, and that's the Clementine bag from the brand The Horse. The Horse are an Australian brand, and I've had this probably for just over a year again. Beautiful, beautiful bag, only £200. And again, in this chocolate brown grain leather, although they do have them in so many different colours. This one's got silver hardware. They didn't do this with colouring gold hardware, which is fine. Again, as I said, it's got a crossbody bag, but I love to wear this as just a top handle. I either like my bags to be shoulder bags or top handles. I don't wear crossbodies as much, I must admit, unless I really need to be hands-free. But this is beautiful. It's got like this magnetic closing. So let me show you inside first of all. So it's still got quite a lot of space inside. You could definitely fit what you need in a day. The branding is very, very subtle, which is great. I love that. And then it's got this kind of magnetic closure that just kind of snaps into place like that. And I love the drapey shape of this again. I do like a structured bag, but I do really like a slouchy leather bag as well that kind of drapes. I think it just looks so cute and elegant. The only thing I would say is that I had to pay import taxes as I ordered it from the UK, and like I said, it's an Australian brand, and I think they were quite expensive. I think my import taxes came to about £40. I know that I've had some messages from other people in the UK and theirs have been cheaper, so I don't know if it varies, but it definitely varies by country. So do have a look on their website about all the information on the import taxes, which I didn't really read as I should have. But yeah, I definitely still think it's worth it, and I would definitely buy another bag for them because, like, even with the import tax, it came to about £240, and this is a bag that I grab all the time. I think it's just such a cute little bag. So yeah, I definitely will be keeping an eye on some more of their newer bags. Really lovely bag. So next we'll go on to my Songmont Luna bag. Again, if you're familiar with my channel, you will have seen this bag a lot. I won't go into too much detail, but the reason I love this bag so much, let me first show you how much space it's got inside, is because you can wear it numerous ways. It comes with 3 straps, so you can wear it top handle, you can wear it crossbody, you can wear it shoulder. But my favourite way of wearing this is as a kind of almost like a little dumpling bag by clicking these 2 bits together. And then I think it's such a cute looking bag. It's just such an unusual shape when you wear it like this. This is a bag that I take on holiday with me all the time, and sometimes I don't take another evening bag because it's such a versatile bag. It doesn't take that much room, and I know I can wear it during the day and I can take it out at night and it still looks really dressy. It's such a nice bag. Let me tell you how much this one is. So this one is in the ivory colour and it is £340, so a really good price. I do have a couple of other bags on my wish list from Songmont, which I will share with you at the end. Beautiful bag. Obviously guys, I will pop a link to all of these bags in the description below if you want to have a look at any of these. Let's move on to my last brand, not my last bag because I have a few in this, and that's Mulberry. I've loved Mulberry for as long as I can remember. I just think for the money, the quality is stunning, and Mulberry was actually my very first mid-range bag purchase. We're talking probably about 10 years ago now, and I got, I think it's called their Lily bag, in this beautiful, beautiful oxblood colour in this grained leather. So hard wearing, considering I've had this over 10 years. Like, it literally, if you have a look at the leather, there isn't any scratches on the leather. If you have a look at the bottom, it is such a good bag. It's got this gorgeous suede inside in the same burgundy, and it's quite a lot of room. It's a really good out in the evening type of bag. I tend to use this more in the autumn, winter time. It just adds such a lovely pop of colour, and it's such a rich autumnal colour, just so beautiful, with obviously the little Mulberry logo on the front. Really nice bag. I mean, I don't really care if bags are in trend or not. If I like a bag, I will end up wearing it as long as I love the bag, regardless of whether it's in trend or not. But this is still available in their icons range. I think they do an updated version of this, but this one is the most expensive. So it wasn't this expensive when I bought it. I think I bought it for £795. It's now £995. But I will be keeping this. I definitely won't be selling this because I think it's just such, I love the colour as well, and I think it's such a cute little evening bag. And then because I loved Mulberry so much at the time, I remember I was looking for a bag that I could kind of carry around and take my laptop, and I ended up getting their Bayswater tote, which again is such a beautiful bag, again in the grained leather. I do tend to go for grained leather quite a lot because of how durable it is, and it doesn't seem to damage as much as smooth leather in terms of scratches. It's really, really good if you want to keep the quality. I probably had this for about 7 years as well, and this is such a great bag if you're going on holiday. I sometimes take it as my kind of back cabin bag, and it fits so much. Let me show you inside. It's just like this big space. This one's got gorgeous burgundy suede, and then it does have like a little extra pocket inside for you to keep your valuables in. Just beautiful. Also really good bag if you're out shopping, if you're like going to London or the city for the day and you know you're going to buy in a few bits. It literally fits so much in here, and perfect size for a laptop as well. Such a lovely bag. So this one is, I think this one is called, so this one's the Bayswater tote, and I think the colour is Crumpet, but I will link it below. And this one is reduced to £795, and because I liked it so much, I also got it in the black, which again is just beautiful. Again in the same grained leather. It has this beautiful copper coloured suede in it. Just gorgeous bag, and definitely a great city bag. If I'm kind of working from a cafe or something, I will pop my laptop in here and anything else I need, my chargers, and it does the job brilliantly. This one's slightly more expensive at £845, but still a really, really good price. So these are all the bags in my mid-luxury selection. I am definitely looking to purchase a couple more in the next few months, especially for summer, and these are the ones on my wish list. So I've got a couple from Songmont. I've got the Songmont lattice bucket bag in cloud. Love the lattice on this. I just think it makes it look really different. Really gorgeous bag, and this one's in the colour cloud and 460, although I think they do them in lots of colours. And I also love this medium gather bag, also in the colour cloud, and this is 480. I just love the way that this kind of gathered. I do like a structured bag, but I do also like quite a slouchy leather as well, and I think that one's gorgeous. Another one that I have my eye on is Manu Atelier, and that's the Cambon Canis brown suede bag. Beautiful, beautiful bag. Now, I don't really need another brown bag, and I definitely don't need another brown suede bag, but this one is just gorgeous, and this one is £790. And I also really like a kind of a canvas and leather combined bag in summer. I just think they look really elegant and chic. Demelier Hudson in Salt and Pepper. It's the canvas with brown leather. I think it's such a chic looking bag. I think this would be such a beautiful summer bag, and that was £584. So that's everything on my wish list. I do also love to discover new mid-range handbag brands. So if you have any that you've purchased recently that you're loving, do drop it in the comments below, because I'm always out on the lookout for gorgeous bags. I am a bit of a handbag junkie. I love handbags, so do let me know if you've got any recommendations. I will pop everything in the description box. Like I said, I will also pop my discount code for Teddy Blake bags, so you can get some more money off your purchase. If you did enjoy this, guys, and you are a bit of a handbag fanatic as well, then do give me a like. And also, if you haven't already, then I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does really help with the YouTube algorithm to get my content out there to more people. So thank you so much for watching, guys, again, and I shall see you again in my next video. Take care, bye.